Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS IoT Greengrass installer from Edge computer step by step clearly. To uninstall the AWS IoT Greengrass installer from your Edge computer, start by opening a terminal window. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to execute commands. Begin by checking the status of the Greengrass service to confirm it is currently running. You can do this by typing the command sudo system status greengrass. If the service is active, you will need to stop it before proceeding with the uninstallation. Use the command sudo system stop greengrass to stop the service. Next, remove the greengrass directory from your system. Typically, this directory is located in /greengrass. To delete it, type the command sudo rmrf/greengrass. After removing the directory, you should also delete the greengrass daemon service file. Navigate to the directory that contains the service file, usually located at /etc/systemd/system. Use the command sudo rm greengrass.service to remove the service file. To ensure that the changes take effect, reload the systemd manager configuration. You can do this by executing sudo system-daemon reload. Now, verify that the Greengrass service is no longer listed among the services. Run the command sudo system-list units type equals service and check for Greengrass. If it does not appear, the uninstallation has been successful. In summary, stopping the service, deleting files, and reloading the system configuration completes the process. Make sure to double-check that all components have been removed if you're planning on a fresh installation later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.